Hello everybody. I just want to do a little quick video on how and to prepare these green chilies. Right now these hatched green chilies are ripe in the store right now and a lot of people don't know what to do with them. So I had bought them from a place, I turned around and bought them at a place that was roasting them, but when I got there, unfortunately there was nobody out there doing it. So I went in and bought like 1.5 pounds and came home and I stuck them in the oven on broil, and I kept turning them until I had all sides brown like this. So you want them to kind of blister. And then after I got them all brown like that, I just turned off the oven and I let it sit, and you kind of let them finish cooking a little bit. Now, and then when you're done, I let them cool off for a while, and then I take and cut the tops off like that. And then these peelings should just come right off. And I paid for like 1.5 pounds. I paid like $1.50. They're 99 cents a pound, so I got a pound, you know, something like that. But, and those little cans at the store are, if you can even get them that cheap, they're usually like $1 a piece, if not more. And so far, see, it just peels right off. And so far, I've got this whole bag right there. This is probably at least 6 cans of green chilies. So anyways, I do that, and then I will cut them down the middle. Now you want to get mild for the most part, unless you like food really hot. I've tried mild and medium was too hot for me. And I just cut them up. You can dice them up much smaller, but I'm just, for the sake of time, I'm just doing them that size. So I've got a pot of green chili here that I've already cooked up and added some to. Now you can buy green chilies in this little tub. This is pretty good too. This is a better value than the little cans. But this right here, hatched green chilies, these are the best. And they only are ripe one time a year. So you see all these families buying them up, big bags of them, like 25-pound bags. That's the way to go. Take, if you have the space to freeze them, that is. Take and do this to the whole bag. Spend the day, get the families together, you know, the whole girls, whatever in the family, guys too, yep. Get them working and have them. It's better if you can get them roasted. A lot of places will roast them for you. If you get that, that is the way to go. But if you don't find anybody that'll do that, then just bring them home, roast them. Then I take the seeds out of the middle. I split them open, take the seeds out, throw it away. Cut them on the side. Throw them in, and one more left to go. Now this one here looks like it didn't quite get done on this side here, but it should be okay. I mean, it's just, you just gotta wanna make sure you get the peelings off because they're not very soft. Yeah, it's not gonna even come off very good now. See, that's the real reason you want to blister the whole thing. So I may not be able to get that off there now. It doesn't, whenever they blister, it peels away from the side. So I may stick this in the oven again just to get it to separate. Or you could even, I guess, maybe take a knife. I don't know if it'll do it or not. Nope, it doesn't want to do it. So yeah, you need to cook them. Cook them until they blister. You want them to bubble up. Get those little black spots on them and bubble up. That way you know it has separated from the meat of the green chili. I think I got most of it, hey. Part of it. Good enough. I'm just gonna cut that one up and stick it in the bag. Now I would usually, if you're gonna do a lot, I would buy little baggies or have little containers or something to put them in, because when you're cooking, for the most part, you don't need a big bag like this. And if I freeze all this together, I'm gonna have to use all that together. So I may separate it into smaller baggies so I can use it as I need it while I'm cooking. So. Okay guys, just thought I'd share that information with you. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.